Hola BONECAS, welcome back to my channel. This week it was requested that I film a how to apply lashes video. And of course the first one is the lashes. So I am using Eyelash Curler in the style Mila. I love these lashes. After that we need the lash glue. So I use these two. I really like Kiss lash adhesive. I've tried Duo and other lash adhesives, and this brand is my favorite. This is the lash adhesive in clear, and this one is the black one. I like these for different purposes. So if I am doing a black liner look, I'll go in with the black eyelash adhesive, and then if I'm not using eyeliner, I use the clear one. The next tools are a pair of tweezers. These make it so much easier to apply your lash. You don't need like the little special lash tweezers. I actually like these because they're nice and thin up at the top here, so it makes it easier to just grab the lash and just pop it on. And then an eyelash curler helps to blend your lashes together along with the mascara, and my favorite one is Telescopic Carbon Black. I've been using this for years, I think since high school. I love this mascara. And the eyelash curler, both this and the mascara, helps your lashes to look like they're combined together. The last thing you need is a mirror. I like a mirror that has a stand on it so I could sit down and look down at my eyes. This helps a lot because you can see and look at yourself like this, see where you have to apply this part of the eyelash and then the inner corner. It decided to rain as I'm filming this video. Okay, so I went ahead and applied this lash. Now I'm gonna apply my left eye. I'm waiting for the glue to get tacky. That's very important. You could also kind of like bend the lash a little bit, and that helps it to be more comfortable on the eye. Remember, wait for it to get tacky. It's gonna make it so much easier. All right, I think it is ready to go. So I have my mirror below me and I'm tilting it upwards like so. And I like to kind of go over my eye like this, and I personally like to go in and match the outer corner and kind of apply it there. And then once I do that, I just place it there, and then I go in with the inner corner and fix the inner corner. Once I have that done, I go in with my hand and I push it towards the lash line. Go in with the tweezers to help. And again, using my hands to push the lashes up to my lash line. And then one thing that I like to do to help everything to blend together and also to make it look more comfortable, I like to take an eyelash curler. Any eyelash curler works. I have like an old one from, I don't even know what brand, and I go over and I curl the lashes. Don't press it too hard because you don't want to damage the style, and that helps it to be a little bit more comfortable. And then I like to go in with a mascara, and my personal favorite, I've been using it for years, is the Telescopic Carbon Black. And I use this, if you can tell, the wand is really thin, so it allows you to gently blend your lashes with the falsies together so you can't tell that they're there. And I also like my lower lash line, I'm sorry. And just like that, you're done. When I first started applying lashes, it was really hard and I could not get it. One thing that really helped me was to wait for the lash glue to get tacky. Keep in mind, it's a lot of practice. The more you practice, the better you're going to get at it. It's really discouraging in the beginning, but it is possible. All right, BONECA, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If there are any more videos that you'd like to see, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.